Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Gradient Map in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and click on the Layers panel, and then I want you to click on this icon. This will take you to the different adjustment options. Then I want you to click here on Gradient Map, and here you will see all the different colors that you can go ahead and pick. So you can select a stop. These are different stops. You can select that and then go ahead and click on the color to pick a different color if you want to go ahead and do that. And you can also go ahead and click anywhere here to add another milestone, and you can choose a different color for that as well. And if you want, you can also slide these nodes, as you can see right here. You just slide them to basically change how much of your image is affected by that specific color. If you want, you can also adjust the opacity, as you can see right here, to make the effect more subtle. You can also try changing the blend mode right here, as you can see, to, for example, soft light or overlay for a more professional and color graded look. But that is how to use Gradient Map in Affinity Studio.